In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contact from Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. The export option is tied to an individual contact record, so you will first navigate to your contacts list, then open the exact contact you want, and finally request an export. First, look to the left side of the screen for the vertical navigation bar. Find the contacts icon. It usually looks like a person's silhouette. Click that contacts icon to open your contacts area. This takes you to a list view where you can see the contacts that exist in your account. Once you are in the contacts list, take a moment to locate the contact you want to export. If your list is long, scroll carefully and confirm you are selecting the correct person. It helps to double-check the name in the list so you do not accidentally export the wrong record. When you find the right contact, click directly on the contact's name in the list view. This opens the contact's full profile page, where Freshsales displays the detailed information associated with that record. Next, go to the top right corner of the contact profile page. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu, then select Export. This tells Freshsales that you want to generate an export for this specific contact. After you choose Export, Freshsales will prepare the file and send the download link or exported file to your email. At this point, you can switch over to your email inbox and look for the message from Freshsales related to the export. Open that email and follow the provided option to download the exported contact file. If you do not see the email right away, wait a short moment and then refresh your inbox. Also check your spam or junk folder if needed, since automated messages can sometimes be filtered. Once the download is complete, save the file somewhere you can easily find later, such as a designated exports folder, so you can access it when you need it. And that covers everything you need to know.